Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, Chinese steel prices saw a notable rebound thanks to positive policies. Let's break it down. Firstly, China's central bank announced a deep cut to bank reserves on Wednesday. This is expected to release about $140 billion of cash into the market. Furthermore, to improve liquidity for the property developers, the government has now allowed for loans secured against commercial properties to repay other loans and bonds. This policy will be in place until the end of 2024. And how did market players take the news? Absolutely welcoming. We've seen a sharp rebound in both the Chinese stock and the futures markets, and steel prices rose to the highest level in 3 weeks. Next, let's take a look at the production and consumption side. As the Chinese New Year draws closer, activities in the steel market are slowing down. Demand for steel is now on decline, while steel inventories are piling up. This week, China's apparent demand for steel dropped more than 250,000 tons. That's the 9th week in a row we've seen a decline. Total steel inventories, they've gone up by increasing for the 7th consecutive week. And as for steel production, there's been a modest increase. It's quite clear that despite the upbeat news, the market's fundamentals haven't really turned the corner yet, and the overall trend remains sluggish. So what can we expect for the coming week? We believe that the bank reverse cut may provide a short-term emotional boost to the market, but the actual impact remains uncertain. Moreover, as we approach the Chinese New Year, both supply and demand are weak, not keeping up with the rising trend of the macroeconomic positive. Therefore, we anticipate that the Chinese steel market will continue to see narrow fluctuations next week, with no significant rise or fall. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!